Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Homestead Quest. For those of you who are new here, my name's Amanda, and today is a very exciting day because my daughter and I are going to be harvesting all of the carrots out of our carrot patch. This has been about 4 months in the making, and I'm so excited to show you guys how today's harvest went. So carrots take quite a long time to grow. Depending on the carrots that you grow, it takes 3 to 4 months to go from germination to this. And this is one of the much smaller carrots in the bed. We have black nebula carrots in there as well that are probably going to be like twice as big as these. So I'm really excited. We have picked a lot of carrots and there's still a lot left.
Really? Again? Why do I keep...
Need help? Broke the top off on this one on accident. Ooh, that's pretty big. Oh.
Ooh!
Show everybody.
Look at that puppy.
Look at that puppy.
Whole garden is really cool. And like today I've been picking those pebbles.
There's the empty carrot patch. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, that's it for me today. Thanks for watching. Bye.